Hey guys, I got this 2004 Lexus SC430. I'm going to show you to remove the door panel. This is going to be the same for the passenger as it is for the driver's side. First thing you're going to do is over here, we're going to remove this. It's just a Phillips screw. Okay, next we're going to remove this one right here, another Phillips screw. Okay, now we're going to go right here, the flathead screwdriver. Pop that off. And there is a Phillips screw right here as well. Okay, now that we get that off. Okay, so there's some screws down here. There are 3. So we're gonna remove those and then we can remove this door panel. So I'm gonna remove those really quick. Okay, next we're gonna remove this. You wanna pop it up over here. So pop this side up first, and this side you're gonna pull out because it does have a tab that goes in here. So if you try to pop it out right there, it's gonna break. And then you have another Phillips screw right here. So you're gonna remove that. Okay, now we're gonna go over here and pop these 2 pieces in. The middle piece. And then take your flathead screwdriver and pop these pieces out. Okay, so now we can remove the door panel. We're gonna pull on this. Okay, make sure all the tabs are removed so it's nice and loose like this. Okay, then we're gonna remove this, just pop it out like that. And then we can remove the door panel by pushing up on it. Okay, and you can remove these pieces right here, and the light down here, and that's how you remove it.